Hello everybody, welcome to our forest school session today. We're off into the woods to find some queen bumblebees. Have a look around. You will need to find a pine cone. Look really hard, there's probably some on the ground. Maybe there's some up in the trees. Your pine cone is going to be the body of your bumblebee. We found lots and lots of pine cones. You've got some fluffy yellow wool in your pack. And this is going to be wrapped around and around your cone. Take your time, tie one end on first, and wrap it around and around. You can choose to have a big fat bumblebee with lots of wool on it, or you can have a little bit. Whatever you do, take your time. When you've finished wrapping your bumblebee with yellow wool, you can give it some wings. There's a piece of mesh in your pack, and we tie that onto your bumblebee's body to give it wings. Lovely fluffy bumblebee. You'll need to cut a piece of string from your pack again and tie your dangly bumblebee onto a stick so that your bumblebee can fly. Take your bumblebee for a little adventure. Can you find any spring flowers full of nectar for your bumblebee to have? There might be daffodils, snowdrops, primroses. Have a look around. What can you find? We've got a little game called the Queen Bee Bumble Bee game. This game is really fun. First, you need to build a little nest. Bumblebees have little nests under the ground, so build yourself a nest out of sticks and go to sleep. When the sun wakes you up, you fly and you find all the nectar that you can find in the flowers. When you've got all the nectar, fly back to your lovely nest and go to sleep again. If you want to, you could swap nests with your friend. When you've had enough being queen bumblebees, have a lovely snack in the sun. Happy bumbling!